You start by adding the THC2 as a Bluetooth device. Look for the THC2 device and note the COM port that was assigned, as you will need it later on. Download and run the installer. Note that you will be asked for the COM port number that you noted before. This installer will copy the new screen, some macros, configure the communication with the THC2, and configure UCCNC. You can now open UCCNC and verify the new screen functions and operating parameters. You can validate that the THC2 is connected to talking OK to UCCNC.